Alrighty, Appreneurs, Christopher Wilson here, the Mobile App Mogul. How to create apps to make you money every single day, or better yet, how to make a living making apps. Hope you all staying safe during this coronavirus times. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the or access the Mobimatic support portal. So let's go ahead and get started. Yeah, this is one of my Mobimatic accounts, and just suppose you need help in just getting started. Okay, you click create new application and you're stuck. Okay, well, there's help available. What you do is simply click this button right up here to your top left, right, I'm sorry, your other left. Click support. It's going to open up the support portal. And most of you probably didn't know about that, but I'm going to show you that there is help available and you don't have to worry about a thing. It's going to be all right. Okay? So, I'm going to let that load up. And this is the help desk and the learning center. And I mainly like the learning center, of course. But just suppose you need help on just getting started. You looked at a few of my videos about it and, you still kind of, in limbo where to get started. But anyway, click get started here. And basically, this is going to show you all of the tutorial videos and the tutorial PDFs right here. And I'm serious about that. Everything you need. Okay? So you got the, you got the walkthrough videos, more trainings. Okay? Now, and the more trainings, you got the videos and you got the knowledge base where it shows the reference guides or the PDFs. Okay? You got live chat support, email. I would usually go to the email. Live chat, I've tried that. Didn't have success with that, but anyway. Yeah, so, that's just the getting started. It's going to show you. Now, you may have more questions. What we're going to do is go to more trainings. Okay, so click here. These are video trainings. Okay, we'll let that load up. Okay, so you even have a search bar there if you want to search, but let's just go to getting started. Well, actually, let's go to browse courses. All of these are courses, of course, but let's go to browse courses. Okay, let's go to getting started, read more. Okay. And it's going to load up, actually going to have a few getting started videos. And I would strongly suggest that you use, view these videos, look at them, because they're chock full of information. Okay, we're at getting started. Okay, here you have the welcome and overview, creating an app, choosing layouts, choosing your country, font style, pages and features, dashboard, onboarding. Okay. And let's just say we want to start right here, create an app. It's going to show you the basic getting started video on how to start creating your app. Okay, and there it is right there. And let's play it a little bit. Or maybe we won't play it.
Okay, folks, let's get cracking on Mobimatic.
Okay.
First thing we want to do is create our first application.
All right. So that's starting from the beginning. Okay. And then you have, of course, the rest of these. Now, let's go back to all courses. And, you can navigate this and peruse it any way you feel. Okay. But I'm just going to go back to all courses. Let's go to the, how about app features? Let's find out all the features of Mobimatic, okay? And Mobimatic, as I said before, my previous training is mainly for making local business apps where you can make a killing. A killing. Making apps for local businesses because they need it. You know, these big chains are taking over. Local businesses need some help. But I'm using it to make my own apps, to make my wallpaper apps, to make my audio ebooks and so forth. But anyway, let's go to all the features. You got the booking, calendar, book, in-app messages, inbox link. All of this is included. Okay, look at all these features. News wall, padlock, appointments. Okay, booking again. Okay, that's a booking. That's 3 minutes long, but you have another booking. Okay, code scanner, photo feature, everything. All for local businesses and for making your own apps, of course. I just go to booking. Suppose I want to know how to explain the booking feature to my clients. Or I just want to know about the booking feature. Okay, there, just click it, and it's going to open up in the video. Okay, all right. So, yeah, just go back to all courses and, you know, peruse all of. Matter of fact, I would take time to just look at all these videos. They're really short videos. So, you know, go through the walkthrough, the Android application, how to publish your app on Google Play and iTunes. It tells you that. It details, which I like because it tells you how to publish it on iTunes. Most of the time, you need a MacBook or, you know, Apple computer. You can do it from your Windows computer, actually, with this platform. So you got Google Play and iTunes, the two biggest ones. Of course, Amazon and so forth and anything. But anyway, just want to show you that support portal. I would look at that, you know, when you're getting started, and take advantage of, you know, this knowledge that Mobimatic is giving you. It's fully integrated, you know, fully functional. They tell you how to do everything. Okay. So with that being said, Christopher Wilson, the Mobile App Mogul, hit that like button. Go ahead and hit it now on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Hit it. Okay. Subscribe, and I'm going to see you in the upcoming training videos. Take care. God bless.